Hello, and thank you for visiting us here at Black Hawk Machinery Sales. Today I'm going over a Sandingmaster SA2200. It's a 36-inch machine, 2 heads. First head is a drum, second head is a combination head, drum platen. Both drums are in very good condition with no scoring and have lots of life left in them. Take a quick walk around it here and then we'll start her up. Feed mat's in good condition. It's got one spot where there's one small ding. One of the cleanest, newest Sandingmasters I've ever seen. Power up and down. Has automatic set feature. Here's your digital readout. Machine is 440 volts. Take a look on the inside here. There is 2 hold down rollers in front, 2 hold down rollers in between the 2 drums, and 1 hold down roller on the back side. See there. Drums are in nice shape. You have photos of those, so we'll see those a little better. Variable feed speed. It is a 4-post machine. We'll start her up here and you can take a look at her run. Thank you for visiting us here at Black Hawk Machinery Sales. You can visit us at blackhawkmachinerysales.com if you have any further questions. I hope you enjoyed the video. And as always, we look forward to serving you.